Good morning, customers. Your next service to depart from platform 1 will be the 7:18 Melbourne, stopping all stations to Clifton Hill, running express from Clifton Hill to Preston, Preston to Reservoir, then stopping all stations to Melbourne. Your next service to depart from platform 1 will be the 7:18 Melbourne, stopping all stations to Clifton Hill, running express from Clifton Hill to Preston, Preston to Reservoir, then stopping all